None of this gives me pleasure. But if you don't come out immediately, I can't be held responsible for what happens next. To you, or your son. Well? Oh, you old bastard! After them!
Big escape plan, they're still on us!
Yeah, James, I noticed. Just drive.
What the hell is that?
Chance overreaction! It's called a vulture! Sexy, right?
James, watch those firebombs.
Up ahead! Clear the way! Dad, where are we going?
Fort Revolve.
A historical site? There's nothing there!
It's not what's there. It's what's underneath it.
Hang on!
James, careful. This bike's an antique.
Wait, you worried about the bike?
Hey, the vulture's back!
Watch it. It's trying to burn us out.
Damn it! I can't see
Cut left! We'll lose them under the canopy!
James, watch the trees.
What do you think I'm doing?
Look out! Oh, this isn't good!
Hang on back there! Here we go!
This thing can't take another landing like that.
Screw the bike! I can't take another landing like that!
More firebombs! Watch it!
Ah, look out!
Ha ha! Yes!
Hit its engines!
Tunnel up ahead! Alright, I think we're safe!
The tunnel's collapsing!
That vulture's bombing the mountain.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
All right, enough of this. We gotta ground that thing. Take out the engines.
Watch it! More incendiaries! Bring it down now!
Got it. We're not done yet. Shoot the guns.
Come on, Dad, bring that vulture down!
Hit its engines!
core's exposed! Now's our chance!
Drop pods! The core's exposed! Shoot it!
Yeah! Vulture's coming down!
Hang on!
Oh, shit! Well, that was fun!
We walk from here.
You think the swarms hold up in that fort?
The what?
The swarm.
That's what we've been calling them.
The swarm, huh? Okay. No, I don't. We need to get through that fort to the abandoned osmium mine on the other side.
Because... why?
Because the COG dumped a few thousand locust bodies in there after the war. If your swarm's related to the grubs, we'll find out there. Now let's go.
Marcus, this locust burial site. Have you been there?
Once, 25 years ago, James's mother and I went down to supervise the disposal. By then, the grubs' bodies were completely covered in that crystal. Pretty much indestructible. So they sealed them up and walked away.
Okay, I gotta know. Do you think the locusts are back?
Don't know yet. That's the one nice thing about being old. You don't have to have an opinion about everything.
Wind's picking up.
Yeah. Nothing to worry about yet, though.
Keep your eyes open.
Wait. What the hell was that?
Oh, I'm sure we'll find out.
That didn't sound like an animal.
Never said it did.
Hey, there's water here.
Pretty sure that's how you get dysentery.
Let's assume I'll live.
Oh, what the? I think something's above us.
Yeah, I know. Keep calm.
Oh, shit.
Guys, wind flare coming in fast!
Head for the fort! Go, go!
Don't stop! Keep going!
Just ahead!
Over here!
Get inside! Never a dull moment with you kids, huh?
Not lately, no.
We should be safe in here until that wind flare passes. No one has any...
What's that?
I have no idea. See where it leads.
It's glowing.
What is this?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm covered in this shit.
Well, you're glowing now, so that's good.
Come on. Whatever climbed out of that thing went this way.